I don't cast actor, I cast characters.
तो ज्यादा स्मार्ट मत हो।
बहुत मेहनत करता हूँ स्मार्ट बनने के लिए। शक्ल अच्छी नहीं है।
वो कसाई है।
तो क्या कर लेंगे बे? ऐसे हजारों कसाई अपने घर में पालते हैं हम पठान।
पॉलिटिशियन बन गया तो इतने पार का करेगा क्या?
तेरे नाम की स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी जरूर खोलूंगा।
शुरुआत इन्ना करी थी पापा। मना कुतिया कह रहा था बबीता ना कमीनी। हम ना भी दे दो चाहे।
In 10 years' time, where do you see yourself?
I think I'll be the way I'm ruling in Bollywood, I'll be ruling in Hollywood too.
Was it a tough road to start something new?
Very tough. Because whenever you start something new, which is completely unknown to the industry, तो लोगों को convince करना कि why this job is important. I think it took me 10 years to establish the job. I'm now working from last 20 years now, but beginning of 10 years were very, very, very tough. Credit goes to all the filmmakers who trusted this job, who gave me the responsibility to कि ये करो और ऐसी जॉब को क्रिएट करो देश में जो बहुत ज़्यादा हॉलीवुड में बहुत फेमस है, कई 100 सालों से हो और हमारी कंट्री में उसको आते आते इतने साल लग गए। तो आई थिंक अभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ऐसा काम कर दिया कि हिस्ट्री में जब भी लोग बात करें कास्टिंग की तो हमारा नाम आएगा।
That is excellent. How do you convince a director to take a chance on a new face?
I think when I'm sure about the actor, I put my foot down and I fight with the director a lot. I'm not a yes boss. I don't really listen to the director. I give my point of view. I said, you hired me, you pay me so much money for this, so please listen to me. And I'm glad that they all listen to me. They take my advice. Even the casting star also, I am also involved in those meetings too. I think I just put my foot down. I fight with directors.
How has the demand for star power versus strong acting talent
No, I fully changed. They always
changed
come.
in Bollywood?
No, they always come to me for new talent now. Nobody comes to me for star. They always want me to bring new talent to the industry or get a right casting in the industry. I think industry fully changed. Now they only want to see a good actor. They want to see either वो industry का हो या नहीं हो, star हो या नहीं हो. They just want to see a good film. They just want to see a good casting.
What is the first thing you look at when you spot a good talent for casting?
I only look at my character. I don't look actors. Because for me, I only think about so many scripts, so many directors, different point of view. I was only looking for my character. People think he might be a great actor, but he's not my character. And somebody who's completely new, never acted, he can be my character. So I only see my character in everyone. Even I'm talking to you, I'm only looking at what kind of role I can give you, your personality, looking at him. The first time I told him कि ऐसा लगता है तू यहाँ born हुआ है. There's an accent, there's a personality. So I keep recording all this behavior, personality of people. I don't cast actors, I cast characters.
Yeah.
I always see that this person is honest, he is the right casting for me. After that casting, I don't know कि वो star बनेगा नहीं बनेगा. I only do my job for that particular film. ऐसा लोग बोलते हैं कि जो फिल्म मैं करता हूँ हिट हो जाती है, but I always say that कि डायरेक्टर अच्छी पिक्चर बनाते हैं, राइटर जो लिखते हैं, मैं सिर्फ उसमें आके कंट्रीब्यूट करता हूँ.
Which casting decision of yours has been the proudest so far?
I think there are so many films, but I'm super proud of Gangster Vassibu. All the actors, whether Jaideep or Rajkumar, they're all doing so well. I'm so proud of Kai Poche casting, Rajkumar, Sushant. I'm so proud of Laila Majnu, Tripti Dimri, Avinash Tiwari. And there's so many films. I'm proud of Chiller Party, found so many 7 new cutes, Super 30. There's so many films.
सर आपको कैसा लग रहा है इंटरव्यू?
What is one of the most common mistake made by the first time actors during audition?
They try to impress a lot. They try to impress a lot to a casting director, to a director, to a producer. They try to be extra nice, extra sweet. They overdo. They have to just do their job. They have to. वही तो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है, वो एक्स्ट्रा करने की कोशिश करते हैं. Just be simple and be you. That's the more important part. They try to be someone else when they meet me.
What advice would you give to the actors who are looking for a breakthrough in the industry?
I think जो अपनी mental health को ध्यान दे रहे हैं ना कि physical health को. People are focusing on skin, body, hair, but they're not focused on the talent, not focused on the craft. They're not focusing on the mental health. Somebody who's completely mentally strong to struggle and to work hard and honest. they should come. Not that somebody saying I'm good looking, I'm conventionally good looking, मेरे सिक्स पैक है, उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. You need to, जब आपको अच्छा एक्टर होना पड़ेगा. Look at नवाज, look at राजकुमार, look at जयदीप, look at so many actors. They're just pure actors.
In 10 years' time, where do you see yourself?
I think I'll be the way I'm ruling in Bollywood, I'll be ruling in Hollywood too.
That's a very big.
I'm very clear, sir. I'm going to kill it there also. There's no
Fabulous.
confusion, there's no second doubt. I want to bring, I think Oscar for India. I'll be the first one to bring Oscar to India. I think in casting. I'm over ambitious, but because I know I will make it, I'm 100% sure. I'm not going to make any mistake. I'll work extra hard. I love success. I love success.
What is your impression about Australia?
This is my first time in Melbourne, and I think great place. I'm still exploring. I think I need to spend more. This is my first day ever in Melbourne, and मेरा 5वां-6वां घंटा अभी चल रहा है. I think मेरा impression ये है कि मुझे एक तो vibe बहुत अच्छा है, and I'm meeting so many people from my community, Punjabi people, and I feel very, very, very happy because wherever I see Punjabi, I immediately connect to them. I think that's how we are.
Yes.
That's how we are as people. We are dilo saaf ne. I think मेरा impression है कि I'm going to meet so many new people and make so many new friends here. That's my.
So good. That's a very positive vibe. Well, I wish you all the very best. And I hope that you're the first one who can get Oscar for India.
I'll be the first one, sir.
I will look forward for that day. And I'll pray for you too.
Thank you very much.